Samantala, wala namang tumutol sa pagpapasabpina doon sa mga record kung paano ginastos ni Vice President Sara Duterte ang confidential fund nito sa ilalim ng Office of the Vice President at sa dati nitong pinamumunuan na Department of Education. At sa pagdinig nga ng House Committee on Appropriations nitong Martes, ipinaliwanag ni Commission on Audit Chairperson Gamaliel Cordova na hindi maaaring basta na lamang ilabas ng kanilang ahensya ang mga impormasyon kaugnay ng confidential fund. Kung walang sabpina, sinabi ni Cordova na tanging maibibigay lamang umano ng Commission on Audit ay ang accomplishment record kaugnay ng paggamit ng confidential funds. Ayon pa kay Cordova na kada quarter ay nagsusumiti naman ang mga ahensya na mayroong confidential fund ng accomplishment reports sa Office of the Speaker at Office of the Senate President of the Philippines. Yan ay upang makakuha ng kopya na nag-motion nga itong si ACT Teachers Party List Representative Franz Castro na ipasabpi ng record ng confidential fund ng Office of the Vice President noon para sa taong 2022 at 2023. Sumigunda naman si Gabriela Representative Arlene Brosas sa naturang motion. Ipinasama naman ni Kabataan Representative Raul Manuel ang record ng confidential funds ng Department of Education. Abang wala namang tumutol sa naturang motion kaya naprubahan ni House Committee on Appropriations Senior Vice Chairperson Stella Luz Kimbo na siya ding presiding officer ng naturang pagdinig. Kaugnay niyan, narito ang bahagi ng naging pahayag ni Congresswoman Franz Castro ng ACT Teachers Party List.
Guidelines. So, may I therefore move, Madam Chair, to subpoena duces tecum be issued to COA for these AOMs or kung meron mang notice of disallowance or suspension issued to the Office of the Vice President and to the Office of the Department of Education. I so move, Madam Chair.
1 minute suspension.
Bahagyan ang naging motion itong si Congresswoman Franz Castro ng Alliance of Concerned Teachers Party List. Narito naman ang naging tugon ni Congresswoman Stella Luz Kimbo na siyang presiding officer ng mga panahon ng naturang pagdinig.
Castro, as soon as all the briefings are done, then that motion can be entertained before the whole committee.
Okay. Can we have the comment of the COA as regards to that? Kasi, Madam Chair, this about the, 2022 pa natin ito hinihingi, no? At medyo overdue na ito. Okay? At meron naman din tayong circular as regards to the on September 2013 that provides that COA can be compelled to submit documents, records, reports, decision, or other information to the issuance of subpoena duces tecum. So ito yung ito yung batayan natin.
Yes.
So can we have a comment on that?
Your Honors, thank you for the
Bahagyan
question.
mga kabombo ng naging pagdinig ng mababang kapulungan ng Kongreso kung saan nga ay hiniling nila ang record na pinaglaanan ng mga gastusin doon sa intelligence fund at confidential funds ng Office of the Vice President ng taong 2022 at taong 2023.